General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi might be back for a second term as a police commissioner, and not everyone is happy about it. Hey everyone, this is your quick update on the biggest headlines in Mzansi. Here's what we need to know so far. So guys, KZN Premier Tami Ntuli has thrown his full weight behind General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, officially backing him for a second term as Provincial Police Commissioner. Yes, the same Mkhwanazi who shook the country with that explosive media briefing last year. This endorsement comes after a high-level meeting between Ntuli and National Police Commissioner General Fanny Masemola, where Mkhwanazi's future was firmly on the table. So his current 5-year term wraps up on the 31st of March, and all signs suggest the province wants him back. Mkhwanazi has built a reputation as a no-nonsense police commissioner, especially in a province battling with political killings, extortion, and organized crime. But what really made him a household name was that media briefing on the 6th of July where he dropped bombshell allegations, accusing powerful politicians and senior law enforcement figures of protecting drug cartels and blocking investigations. So those revelations weren't just noise. They triggered the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry and Parliamentary Ad Hoc Committee, putting serious pressure on the criminal justice system. Ntuli isn't backing down. He expressed confidence in Mkhwanazi's leadership and insists there's no basis to deny a second term to an officer of his caliber. According to the Premier, Mkhwanazi's discipline, ethics, and commitment to accountable policing are exactly what the province needs. The big question is, will this endorsement seal the deal, or will Mkhwanazi's enemies behind the scene try to block his return? Stay tuned, this one is far from over. That's it for today, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.